I actually finished work early once for a change, and Thorpe Park's got extended opening hours. You're watching Ride Comparisons. It's 4:30 and we've just arrived at Thorpe Park. We usually leave here around this time, so it's really strange, isn't it?
Yeah.
So Thorpe Park has extended opening times today. It's open till 9 PM. So we're after the Hyperia Night ride to see if it's any good.
Yeah.
With Fright Night, it's just around the corner. We thought we'd come down and try and get a review and build up some hype. Anyway, guys, next Saturday is also till 9 PM, isn't it? The 31st of August. So let's go see what we can get done. So even with all the Hyperia related content, guys, believe it or not, we haven't actually had a night ride yet, so we've been waiting for it, haven't we? We thought we were going to have to wait till October, but with these extended opening times, we could get it on tonight. Anyway, guys, a little bit of a Fright Nights update. You got stitches here. It's not quite assembled yet, but it's back for another year. We didn't get to do it last year. So in regards to Fright Nights this year, guys, all of the mazes from last year are returning, and we've got one new maze this year, haven't we?
Yeah.
And I think it's going where the Black Mirror was. That was sort of everybody's guess. We haven't had a look yet, so hopefully we can get some footage today. We're at that really annoying time in the UK at the moment where it's raining. It's not really hot. It's only hot when the sun's out, so you know I've opted for the coat, but now I'm sweating. Anyway, guys, Hyperia Night Ride, that's what we're here for today. There's definitely some movement over here where Black Mirror was. They've really opened it up. You can see Slammer rotting away now. Slammer was brilliant. It's a real shame it died. For anyone that didn't get to go on it back in the day, it was terrifying.
I didn't go on
Jacob didn't get to go on it, unfortunately.
I was too scared.
He was too scared and he regrets it now. Same with Brave It Backwards, wasn't it?
Yeah.
He was only little though. And look, you can see it's all been opened up, guys. So preparations for Fright Nights. They got to skip over there. Definitely up to something. Now this is really confusing, guys. Thorpe Park obviously prepared for busy with the extended opening times, but this is the shortest queue I've ever seen for Hyperia, so I do not know what's going on. Oh, Jacob's getting chased.
Is it on me?
Yeah, it's gonna get you. Now this is really tough to judge whether or not single rider's quicker today. I think we'll time it. We'll give it a go. Day like today where the main queue's 40 to 35 minutes, single rider was still quicker, wasn't it? About 15 minutes we waited. We got the middle that time, row 6. I've never actually had that row. Oh my god, the rattle. The rattle is so bad in the middle. That is crazy. Ride number 2. There's so many other vloggers here today. I guess everyone is waiting for that night ride. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Everyone keeps requesting Diss Track Part 2. It's not happening, guys. I need someone else to fire at me first. I'm waiting for it. We'll give the main queue a go this time. It's not in the cattle pen, so it can't be too bad. Those are some dark clouds. Can't forget a good old front row ride on Self. And with only a 5-minute queue. Oh, that looked close. We'll get our roll back one day, won't we, Jacob? Poor Thorpe Park. They've spent all this money extending the opening hours and everyone's been scared away by the weather. This is the current stealth queue. Walk on. And back to Hyperia with only a 30-minute queue. We made the mistake last time, didn't we? Single rider's still a lot faster. That's 4 rides now. Luckily we got a back row that time, and it's starting to get a little bit darker now, isn't it? Just got confirmation they're closing the queue line at 8 o'clock. It's not really surprising, is it? Because it is quite late, and you got to feel for the staff. Bit of a shame, so we're just going to wait it out now. It's a bit too risky to get into the queue at the moment, so we're joining at 8, I suppose. Seems what everyone else is doing. while we wait. Maybe not Jacob. You don't drink, do you? No. I don't really drink anymore, so that went straight to my head. Just waiting now, guys, with that queue closing at 8 o'clock, unfortunately. We've definitely got to jump in at the right time, haven't we? Okay, so the tactic here, guys, Thorpe Park have put Hyperia up as, oh, it's 25 now, it was 20 minutes a minute ago. So they put it up as 20 minutes so everyone just runs to this area in the park, gets in the Hyperia queue, and they're going to close it an hour early with a full queue. So for us that want the night ride, it's actually quite beneficial, but quite sneaky Thorpe Park, quite sneaky. You know you're getting a night ride at Thorpe Park when all the bugs start coming out. Jacob's getting attacked by the mozzies. Oh, we're nearly there, we're nearly there. 15 minutes till the queue closes. So we got 5 minutes till the queue supposedly closes. Advertised as 25 minutes, clearly not 25 minutes. There's quite a few people waiting. I don't know if we're going to get the last train today because there's so many people waiting. But it looks like we're going to get a night ride, doesn't it? I really hope so.
It's getting dark.
This is going to be a bloodbath. So many vloggers, so many people waiting till the last moment. Definitely a lot of atmosphere. Got Samurai lit up over there. They didn't actually close the queue at 8, did they? So that's annoying. Oh well. So if you're coming next Saturday, guys, 25 past 8 and the queue still isn't closed, and the horde of people waiting to join it is way bigger than it was when we joined. Okay, so 20 past 8, guys, here comes security. That's when you're going to be expecting the queue to close. Not 8 o'clock like they told us, unfortunately. Oh, that lift hill is very, very noisy. The chaos. 8:30, it's still going. So that is queue closed, guys, at 32 past 8. Boo. This is it, guys, here we go, the Hyperia night ride.
Bloody
Boo. I really hope they don't do that at Fright nights. Look at it lit up at night, it's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
We had a really lively train there, guys, with all the vloggers. It was awesome, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately, guys, someone's got to say it. The Hyperia night ride makes absolutely no difference, does it?
It's still cool though, I love it.
As Jacob said, it was really cool because it's dark. You see London all lit up. That's the best part of it. But in terms of warming up, it doesn't make any difference, does it?
Maybe it's better on the front at night.
Maybe better on the front at night. I couldn't tell any difference, though, unfortunately, guys. Hyperia isn't really a roller coaster that needs to warm up, though, is it?
No.
So
really doesn't.
if you're looking for that in the night ride, you're not going to find it. But if you're looking for awesome vibes, awesome views, then it's definitely well deserved. Got some red lighting up for Fright Nights. Everyone seems to be running over here. I'm going to assume that Night Ride on Stealth is the next go-to. Ah, Stealth is still going. Please, I really hope that queue line's not closed. Let's get this tea party. Nah. Come on, Jacob, we're going to miss it. Run! Oh, they haven't closed the queue. Yes, let's go. Walk on as well. Stealth Night Ride. Hyperia might not have done much of a warm-up, but we know Stealth does. Ah, this is going to be great. Outside the Fright Nights as well. Awesome. Front row Stealth in the dark, guys. Absolutely incredible. And I'm not going to lie, it beat Hyperia's Night Ride. Jacob running. We got to get on it again. No! Oh, that is heartbreaking. Oh, well, that was awesome. I can't wait till Fright Nights to get that again. Anyway, guys, unfortunately, that brings us to the end of today's video. Have you had fun?
Yeah, definitely.
Unfortunately, the Hyperia Night Ride was a little bit disappointing, but it is still an absolutely brilliant ride, and it is still the best ride in the UK. But when it comes to night rides, Stealth is clearly the winner. Come on, Jacob, what do you reckon?
That was good.
Come on, you got to say it. Hyperia or Stealth Night Ride? Everyone's waiting for it.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I love Hyperia. I just love it so much.
He is obsessed. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you are enjoying our content, hitting that subscribe button really does help us continue to do this, and I'll see you next time. Come on, Jacob, which night ride was better?
Hyperia.
What?
I love Hyperia.
What? If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out, and don't worry, it's not the end, there's more videos here.